Imagine building your own professional support chatbot with just Python. In this video, I will show you how to build a modern floating chatbot step by step using Python and Flask. Welcome to Naga Automates. So first install Flask. We need a HTML file and data.json file which have keywords and answers. Let's start. First, we import Flask and some required libraries. Flask is a lightweight Python framework that helps us create web applications and APIs very easily. Next, we load our chatbot data from the data.json file. This file contains all the keywords and answers that our support chatbot will use. So instead of hard coding responses, we keep everything clean and flexible using JSON. Now comes the main logic. We create a function called getResponse. Here we convert the user message into lowercase. Then we loop through all the keywords in our JSON file. If any keyword matches the user's message, the chatbot immediately returns the corresponding answer. And if no keyword matches, the bot sends a polite default reply asking the user to rephrase the question, just like a real customer support system. After that, we create home route using a slash symbol. This route simply loads our HTML chat interface where users can see the floating chat bubble, and then we define the chat route. This is a post API endpoint. Whenever a user sends a message from the chat box, this API receives the message, processes it, and sends the bot's reply back as a JSON. This API based structure is very powerful. You can use the same chatbot for website, mobile apps, or even WhatsApp and Telegram bots in the future. Finally, we run the Flask app in debug mode. This helps us test and improve our chatbot faster during development. Let's save the file and run it. You can see it's working like real customer support. If you want use this in any other websites, you can copy these two divs and this script. You can download HTML file and JSON file from the description. This is just the beginning. Next we can integrate AI, add a database, even deploy it live. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more automations.